Okay, so are you in the problem where Premiere Pro is not starting? Look at this. Okay, I have my task manager running, and you can see that Premiere Pro is over here. It should run, but you can see that there's no loading screen, nothing, and it just vanishes from the task manager. So I have a quick fix for this problem. You have to go to the start menu and search for device manager. Underneath it you will find an option which is display adapters. Double click in it, and you will find the two graphics card over here. So you have to disable NVIDIA graphic card. So disable device, yes. Alright, your work is done. Now what you have to do is relaunch the Premiere Pro. Let's see, it should be working. Okay, it's working right now, and I have one more important thing, so stay tuned. Okay, now you can see that it is working very fine, and it should load the program. Okay, we have the interface quite ready right now. So what you have to do is whenever it doesn't start at the next restart, you have to do that again. You have to go to the device manager and disable it again. It might get enabled by default, right? So this is it for the video, and until next time, goodbye.